Do you think we should appeal to the alien authorities? Have I been that much of a burden?
No!
Weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago? I hope that odor isn't coming from you. Okay, get out of here. This is madness. It's highly probable that our luck will change, don't you agree? I'd give my right hemisphere for a few hours of sleep. I believe this will make for a notable paper, don't you? Do you smell what I smell? Oh no! My goodness! Oh my. Well, there goes our grant money. Ah! Let's try this. I hope those people in the Lambda lab can get this under control. These crab creatures have a unique parasitic strategy, don't you think? Do you know who ate all the donuts? I really don't know. Are you seriously suggesting that all of these beings are here to dine on us? Oh, it's you. I thought it might be another of the administrator's men. They're everywhere this morning. Get away from there, Freeman. I'm expecting an important message. Shut up! Now, where did I leave that shutdown procedure chart? Yes, I sincerely hope you know what you are doing. Are you insane? Stop attacking immediately! Ah! No! Stop! No! Ah! No! Stop! No! My God, what are you doing? Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? Yes. Yes, let's go. You look terrible. It appears that you need medical attention right away. Are you insane? Stop attacking immediately! What is that stench? You aren't going soft on that ethics issue again, are you? Most of the simulation results are perfectly acceptable, you know. Why, look, another head crab. Have you seen my coffee cup? Ah! Ah! Stop! No! Ah! 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 You'll just have to wait until after the test. Surely someone will come and rescue us. You know, you repeat yourself sometimes. That's odd. This should help.